I did the same.
Uma is doing some wedding plannings. Oh God. दोस्तों मुझे शादी नहीं करनी है.
ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए आप ढूंढ लो कोई लड़का.
हम लोग लड़का नहीं ढूंढेंगे, लड़का मुझे ढूंढेगा. Guys, this peaceful view. So she's starting to sanitize her brushes, makeup brushes.
With life boy.
Like, do you know what we use life boy for? वो फर्स्ट ईयर मेडिकल स्कूल में एनाटॉमी हम लोग करते थे ना, डेड बॉडी काट के दोस्तों जब हाथ वाथ धोने होते वो स्टिंक करते, लाइफ बॉय साबु यूज करके हम लोग अपना हाथ धोते थे. ठीक है यहाँ पे. हाँ.
करेंगे.
Okay, so you just rub it off. Yeah. Okay. So it's always important. Oh, it kills 99.9% bacteria and germs. So it's always important for a makeup artist to sanitize their brushes before. Oh my God, look at all that. It's not dirt, but it's just foundation pigment. Oh, and then you scrub it on this. Okay. That's cool.
Well, I'll show you the difference.
Okay. So now this one is clean, and look at the difference between the washed one.
As this only.
Yeah. Oh my God, dosto, fair and lovely.
So this is the dirty brush, okay? Just
Uma, what the hell? We're in the bathroom and someone can see you from here?
It's only Uma who can climb up there, okay? Nobody climbs up there.
Oh my gosh, it's creepy, bro. So much leftover foundation is coming out. So imagine if you use the same brush and then you go to another client and then you do the makeup on them. Oh my God.
The reason makeup artists are so expensive.
Oh, the reason behind why makeup artists are expensive. Because they have to wash brushes?
No.
Oh, okay.
Like, because of wasting the product like this in the brushes.
Oh. Why do you think doctors are expensive?
Skills, bro, skills.
Skills. No, but all professions have their own skills.
No, but I mean, yeah. And the amount of hard work you guys do behind like becoming a doctor.
Okay, इतना भी hard work नहीं किया था मैंने, लेकिन पूरा. Yeah, it's hard work. 6 years. And I'm so sorry I'm taking this vlog from a toilet over here. But we're in the bathroom, bro. I can't help it. So yeah.
I mean, like, look. Instead of you spending time with us, you're gonna read.
Oh, yeah, by the way, I got my reading materials just because, every day you should read like a little.
Fiber cloth.
Oh, okay, after washing you have to wipe them now.
You just rub, and then let it air dry.
We have scalpels and kisu, not kisu, like all those instruments for the operation. I know. It's actually like you have to remember all the sizes of this brush and everything, and we have to remember like all the sizes of needles and everything for the injection and stuff.
So we are the same. I'm the
so
doctor.
We are the same, exactly. Yeah. Oh, Dimple has such a beautiful house, and Uma is in the kitchen. Where is she? Oh my God, so much rice. So I'll just be here reading a little bit and having some pineapple. So right now I'm reading ethics and stuff because मैंने India में अपना MBBS किया है और I'm going to do Australian medical exams. So the ethical stuff and everything for medical systems are so different in Australia. So yeah, you have to do. और यहाँ पे उमा के राइस ठंडे हो रहे हैं. Hi Rama. यहाँ पे उमा के राइस ठंडे हो रहे हैं. And the environment today, the weather is so beautiful. Guys, look at this ringan. Like it's yellow ringan. Wow, there's so many plants here. And this is tomato, fresh. I just love when people garden. Oh my God, is this pepper? Is this murri? I don't know. Yeah, I think so. I just love when people do gardening at their house. So beautiful. And this is her apartment. Oh my god, we're at such a... दोस्तों आपको आप लोग को ऐसा होता है, आप लोग इतनी हाइट में से नीचे देखते हो और फिर आपको मतलब नीचे कुछ कुछ होता है, नीचे मतलब कुछ 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 होता है. What the hell? Look at this wonderful view. Height is same. Two twins. क्या તારા દાંત દેખાડતા? તેમાં બેમાં ડિફરન્સ શું? કાંઈ નથી. કાંઈ નથી. કેવું હે? ઓવલ હે? તારું સકલ હે? ના. વાહ. તો તમે ટ્વિન્સ એમ? કેટલા મિનિટ? કેટલું કોણ મોટું હે? ઓ તારી બોડી મોટી હે પણ તું નાનો હે. તો કેટલા મિનિટ મોટો હે ભાઈ? એટલે કેટલા મિનિટ મોટો હે? એ તારાથી ફર્સ્ટ આવ્યો તો પછી તું કેટલા મિનિટ્સ પછી આવ્યો તો? 30 મિનિટ્સ. ઓ 30 મિનિટ્સ પછી તો આવ્યો. ઓ તો તું બહુ મોટો આવ્યો. What's your name? Yeah, તું પહેલા આવ્યો પછી he saying he came after 30 minutes. ત્યાર સુધી મમ્મી સૂતા હતા. તો તને ખબર હતી એમ ભાઈ નીકળી ગયો ઓલરેડી. પછી તું એ કહ્યું તો જલ્દી મને આવવું હોય, જલ્દી મને આવવું હોય. હે? For lunch we're making આનું નામ શું છે? રાઈસ.
Veg fried rice.
Veg fried rice. Veg fried rice. So there is green beans, rice, and onions, capsicum, broccoli, mushroom, and corn is inside. And we're cutting paneer because the rice should have balanced diet, you know, protein from the paneer and vegetables and carbohydrates from the rice. Yeah, we don't eat chicken or non-veg, so the protein source can be paneer or also tofu. So these cubes of paneer, just put basically just some chili powder, black pepper, some salt and olive oil, and just saute it before adding it to the rice. And I think vegetables are cooked here. Yep, all the vegetables are ready. So see the amount of veggies. It's so healthy and delicious. All So the paneer cubes are ready. They look so delicious. You just make this, add them in your rice. Even if it's just vegetable rice, add them. They taste so good. In fact, they taste good on its own also. पनीर राइस के ऊपर डाल दिया है. अभी हम लोग उसको हलव देंगे. मिक्स कर लेंगे. And here we are sauteing onions. So guys, see, this one is without onion and garlic. So आप लोग separate onion और garlic saute करके इसमें डाल लो. जो लोग अनियन गार्लिक नहीं खाते हैं उसका सेपरेट निकाल. ये सेम डायलॉग मुझे हर बार रिपीट करना पड़ता है. स्प्रिंग अनियंस फ्रेश यू स्प्रिंकल द वन टॉप और ये मिक्स कर दो और बीच बीच में खा लो. दोस्तों शाम की मसाला चाय रेडी है. लेमन ग्रास.
चाय पी लो दोस्तों.
I know guys, it's almost evening. The sun is setting. It looks so beautiful. Look at the big sun. Wow. So grateful to have this view every day, na? Dimple.
Thank you, Dr. Bhakti.
Guys, so that was just a short random vlog of a casual Sunday spent with my cousin, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, all of you. Bye.